Okay, this is asking, would iron be able to replace copper in this single replacement reaction? The first thing we have to do is to make sure it actually is a single replacement reaction. So we've got iron by itself combining with copper 1 nitrate. Okay, and if we look back to our types of reactions, we can see here are our single replacements. Look at this, you've got some single elements coming in and trying to react with compounds. So it looks like we do indeed have a single replacement reaction. Our dancers will show us that once again as well. Here you've got this person trying to cut in on the couple right here, and of course he does. And metals replace metals. If a girl had come in this picture, she would have tried to replace the girl. Non-metals replace non-metals. So it's important to remember that. Now, the question is, the single element that's trying to come in and do the replacement has to be higher up on the reactivity list or activity list. In other words, has to have like maybe a higher energy. Maybe in this scenario has to be tougher or something like that. So I'm turning to the back, and if we look, here's our activity series. Iron has to be higher up than copper. There's iron, there's copper. The single element is higher up, so this reaction will happen. So the correct answer is yes, because iron is more reactive than copper.